Check out this 2012 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: keyless start, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat and cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.